Established in 1968, cable by cable, Hong Tai represents over half a century of commitment in service and development for the energy sector. As we surge along with Taiwan's economic growth, we became our clients' most reliable partner. To ensure customers' safe use of electricity, garnering national recognition, we constantly advance skill and technology. Countless innovations have led to various patents, pioneering industry trends. While we are rich in manufacturing experience, we're never content with just meeting routine standards. It's the never-ending quest for excellence. Meeting clients' demands drives us to utilize the most advanced techniques, deliver the safest product and the highest quality. With the client's perspective always on our minds, the most stringent inspection processes have earned us the most profound trust from power plants and high-voltage utility clients, possessing the largest market share every year. Our commitment to renewable energy research has led us to develop lead-free cables, anti-termite, and anti-rodent cables for wind turbine projects. Receiving multiple certifications for photovoltaic cables, our commitment to corporate social responsibility never ceases. To benefit the quality of living for all, we pursue perfection and continue to enforce the safety of the use of electricity. From power plants to science parks and everyday homes, our electric wires and cables light up every corner of Taiwan. We are the Hong Tai Electric Industrial Company.